Is it loud enough? Testing, testing. Is it loud enough yet?
Mrs. Fletcher, I've really enjoyed learning about volcanoes, especially as we live right beside one, Pukekohe Hill.
My project, what will Franklin look like geologically in 10,000 years? Well, it won't look like this picture.
And I don't think there'll be mud pools like Rotorua or hot lava like Hawaii. The Franklin volcanoes are older than the Auckland volcanoes, which have already been mined for scoria, and some have disappeared altogether. So, we'll probably have more and better market gardens. That's if the soil doesn't wash out to the Waikato River and then out to the Tasman Sea.
Then again, with global warming, all the ice caps might melt and Franklin may end up at the bottom of the sea.
Nobody knows but me that I sometimes cry. If I could pretend that I'm asleep when my tears start to fall, I peek out from behind these walls. I think nobody knows.